Again, I don't want to stretch it too much. So I come up with an idea. I'm gonna flip it over. See in here, you have some of the fluff left back off of your clothes. So I'm gonna try use it.
Do it for the love, me not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, me not do it for the likes.
What up, is the boy Shortypeng is here. See, well, today Shortypeng gonna do a little repair for my tumble dryer tray. Having this problem, all of my fluff keep on coming out through the tumble dryer for this part kind of bit rip. Yeah, kind of rip. So through a rip out, see it, can see it? Can you see it? Right here, just right here, just rip through. So I'm see if I can repair it with some Gorilla glue. It's very good stuff to have it at home. So this is my repair kit I'm using. I never tried this before, but I'm gonna try it and see what it look like. All them fluff them just keep on flying through. And nice to keep on watching the machine, everything come back out. So I did start use some of this glue before earlier. So what I'm gonna do, just get some out on this. And try it and see if it will repair it. Oh, seeing Shortypeng family. So I have a pack of nail here, so I'm gonna take one out. So for you know, this is a glue, so the glue is stick on your hand. So I'm gonna just try and push it through over there. Wow. Keep it together. You don't want to glue your hand, you know. Imagine all these glues stick on your finger. I'll find it a bit. I am finding it a bit hard to let it stick, so alright, I'm gonna just hold that for a minute so and see what is going on there. I don't know what them use and glue it around, but don't like to know every time I take it out of my washer, out of my tumble dryer, everything keep on, all of these fluff keep on leaving back. But again, I don't want to stretch it too much. So I come up with an idea. I'm gonna flip it over. See in here, you have some of the fluff left back off of your clothes. So I'm gonna try use it. That seems like it's working so far. Yeah. We start to stick on this now. stick on my hand. The reason why I start to use this fluff, I see my brother do something like this. Find do a lot of body work and he always using fiberglass thing. Yes, that want to stick on my hand now. You don't want to stick on this, but you want to stick on my hand. You're not gonna help me like that, mate. Yeah, I always seen you using fiberglass, so I just trying to see if that can work. Okay. So I'm just using back the fluff from it. There's any more in here? Yeah, all of this fluff, just get it out. See, I stick on that. Do not want to stick on my hand like that. Look like it's working. Just use my screwdriver. Need some more fluff. Can't find anything. Shortypeng doing a repair kit. So that means that if you have your tumble dryer and the net break like this, you can go out there and just do the same thing, just repair it. You don't have to buy a brand new one. I don't know how much a brand new one of these costs. Wow. I'm searching till me even digging back from the same place. Can you see that since a while? That no good. Okay. Kind of a bit messy as about. You have to get it messy first before. I never do it before, so I'm trying to smooth off this. Look at that. So I'm gonna put a little bit more glue on that now. Let's see if we hold it better. Okay. Remember, don't glue your hand. Rule number 1, please. don't glue your hand. So I'm gonna just run my nail now and just smooth it off. Peng family. So what I'm gonna do, just leave this side couple minutes and let it dry. I'm gonna just smooth it off next side and see. So Peng family, so I'm doing this side. No, that's the next side dry. So I'm gonna try to get it in. I don't know what them use it, what kind of machine they use put in it. Come like a bake them bake it on, but can you see the side of mine did burst, so I'm gonna just put a little bit more glue on it and see. Let's go repair. Should I just have a brush to brush it in and it might look much nicer, but I'm just using my nail. Why going out and go buy a brand new one when you can repair it yourself? Okay. Just leave it for dry. Maybe about the next 5 minutes. It dry properly. See in Peng family. Okay, so remember if you watch this video, keep on watching it. Remember before you watch the video, you know, if you give me a thumbs up, you know. You must like it first. See? And then you watch the video from start to finish. Okay. So Peng family, so me finish off my nice little repair here. See it? Yeah, so see it? It's all order now. Yeah, so that means and all the fluff escaping through this side again. Yeah. So this is the other side. I do it on the both side. So that means it stay in. Stay in and not gonna go out. So it seems like original from the factory, like I bake it in. Bake over the mesh over it, so the mesh did come a bit loose. And just keep on pushing out all of that fluff. So yeah, so it's finished. Nice finish. So remember, your girl are blue. Your girl are blue. It's very handy to have. Can repair anything sometime. So I'm gonna show you my washing, my dryer. Okay, so this is my dryer. So all of the fluff usually come out through right over in here. Can you see it right there? Right there. So now I hope it stop it. Come on, you don't even know to set it. So just slot it back right in it. See it? Go back down easily. So all of it now supposed to stop. My clothes get a nice wash. So that is all Shortypeng Repair in dryer net. So I'm gonna just take a little time out and tell you, say, remember to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell every time. What up, out, peace.